This year in 2025, we're kicking off again. We're going to be having at least 6 such events for the year, and the first 2 are going to be held in January at the Ericvale National Tennis Center. So January 6 and January 13, we're going to welcoming dozens of international players back to our shores who are going to be taking part in the M15,000 Pro events, which is part of the ITF World Tennis Tour. This, I think, speaks volumes to our collaboration with the International Tennis Federation, the fact that we're working closely with them. Definitely our intention is to host more and more international events here in Jamaica. It serves obviously a lot of purposes, one of which is to allow our local professional players to earn world ranking points right here in Jamaica.
Going to enjoy some Christmas cake and ham and some goodies, and then you're back onto training for the future. You say you may play one?
Yeah, well, after
Tentatively?
Yeah, so sorting it out. Can't guarantee it, but I'm looking to hopefully play both. You know, just figure out what works. But I really want to play at least one, just to get good preparation. Make sure I'm continuing on the trajectory that I need to be on.
You hope to play both of them, the ITF tournaments?
Yeah, anyone I can play, it'd be great. It's a
Okay.
great opportunity.
And